Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make bow ties with the Cricut using cardstock. So right now I am cutting my cardstock. This is glitter cardstock. I'm cutting out the bow design and I'm going to show you how the bow looks in design space. As you can see, my project is still cutting. And all I did was go into, I believe it was projects, and I looked for bows. Now I am peeling the excess paper away from my cut bows. And I use the light blue mat because it's better to get cardstock and papers off of the light blue mat. If you use the green mat, you're going to have a hard time and your bows will bend when you're taking them off. So I just take the little spatula and I peel them. Just that simple. Very easy project. I don't know why I waited so long to try this project out, but this is a very easy project. Right here, I'm just showing you the 3 different parts of the bow tie. Now, as you can see, I'm going to take my bows and I'm going to put some glue on the first part of the bow. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half where the glue meets. Then I'm going to take the other part and I'm going to glue that too. And I'm going to just give it some pressure, make sure that it's secure so that it doesn't come apart. And when it's thicker, it takes a little more pressure to secure it. Now I'm going to take the second part of my bow. I'm going to place some glue in the center. Then I'm going to take the part that I folded and I'm going to glue it to this part. And it's a lot of glue. It's hot. It's burning my fingers. Okay. Now I'm going to take the last part of the bowl, the centerpiece, and I'm going to fold it first to see where I want it. And then I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to glue that down. And after I did this, I figured I would put glue on the front of the bowl and then put my centerpiece on and then put the glue on the back and fold it. I did my other bowls that way. Now, you see, I have my bowl, and I'm new at this. These bowls aren't perfect, but they're nice to me. There's my bow. Thank you.